Yes, Mom.
I am putting up the last piece of drywall. This little guy right here is the last one. Yeah. So it's 10 1/4 by 8. And I'm not even using a pencil anymore because I keep losing pencils. I don't even know where there's a pencil. 8 by 10 1/4. This is the last piece of drywall. Okay, you can turn it off now. Oh, hi there. I'm just putting in the last piece of drywall right here in the corner. Yeah, this is it. Oh my god.
Okay, it's going now. It's going now.
Alright, that's it. That's the last piece of drywall. It's in.
I accept.
Did you just record that? Oh, yeah. It's so funny watching my kids help me. I just love it. I think this kind of involvement in renovations, I'm hoping it's formative for them and letting them know that they can do anything by watching me do things that are challenging and kind of outside of my comfort zone. So this clip here is Steve and I just sanding the rest of the drywall. Steve's over there mudding a little bit, and I'm just doing probably the job I don't love the most, but doing it on my own house. There's a different feeling when you're working on your own house. You're kind of happy and satisfied and so pleased to do just about anything when it's on your house. It's a new feeling for me, really. I've never owned a house by myself before. I've never had this kind of autonomy, control, care. I've never had a project this big before. I mean, I've done a lot of things in my life so far, like raising 2 kids is obviously a pretty big project. I've done a few big things with work and, solo adventuring, and this is a different kind of massive project. And I just feel so privileged and so grateful to be able to do this in my own home with the people that I love. It was so nice to have my sister come and work with me for a day. We just have so much fun, honestly. When you know someone that well and you've grown up with them, it's an ease to be in their presence, and it's easy to find things to laugh about and talk about, and I'm really lucky to have my sister around. And also she came and she brought food, which, I don't know, just keep in mind that if you know someone renovating a house, they're probably not feeding themselves. They're probably hungry most of the time, but just ignoring it. It's just how it is. So painting, to be honest, is not something I'm going to be filming a lot of because it takes so much time and I don't think it's that interesting to watch. Like, a time lapse is kind of fun for its own reason, but it's so tedious. Like so many jobs when you're working on a house, they are hours and hours of doing the same thing over and over. And the results are very, very rewarding, but it takes time. The drywall at the top of the stairs was pretty tricky, as you can see there in the top of the frame. I didn't film that either, but that was all last weekend. And so finally, we moved into the front hall and began scrubbing some of the old nicotine stains off of the ceiling before painting it. I like a little distraction.
What up, video people?
And then I got to thinking, why is there this weird piece around the bottom of this heating vent stack? What is it doing here? What is its purpose? And should I just get rid of that?
What things are we gonna find in here?
Oh my god. Quite sturdy.
Yeah, they're really built it there. It's gonna be a mission. Do you know what this is? Well, that's cool. We got drywall.
Yeah.
So, isha basha basha.
Yeah. So when I took that down, a little bit of the plaster came. It's so crumbly, so I'm just gonna put a piece of drywall here. But I don't know if you can appreciate from this just how much more space I have in this hallway now. It's kind of great. So turns out that wasn't the last piece of drywall. This is the last piece of drywall to go into the house, and it's kind of fitting because it's the weirdest piece yet. And so when I took this off, I pulled down a part of the ceiling. So I've just cut this one in a creative shape to fit in here, and this is the last piece of drywall to go in. Oops, just oops. Oh, I wish I cared as much as I did when I first started. I have one screw left. Will it hit something? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
In. Maybe here. Cross your fingers. Oops. Just kidding. This is actually the last piece of drywall. Should go in there. There. And it's in. Now it's done. For real. For real this time.